I'm starting with a 14-inch wreath frame. I also have my ribbon. I have 7 colors that I'm going to be using on this wreath. I then have my 10-inch mesh. I have 3 different colors that I'm going to be using. I'm now going to cut my ribbon. I'm going to cut them in 12-inch strips. I'm cutting 7 of each color. Next, I'm going to be cutting triangles on the end of them just to make them a little bit more finished. And now I'm going to be cutting my mesh. I put all 3 colors together so I can cut one curl at a time. And I'm cutting them in 12-inch sections. So this way they just kind of go into a whole bundle. So I can just grab 3 at a time to make my curls. Then next I'm going to take my pipe cleaners. I'm going to fold them in half and cut them in the middle. I'm now ready to make my first curl. I'm going to start by rolling the 10-inch mesh. After I get my second piece rolled up, I'm going to crisscross it with my first piece. I'm going to do the same with the third. I'm going to roll it up, and then I'm going to crisscross it with the other 2. I'm now going to grab my ribbon. I'm going to fold it in 2, and I'm going to kind of pinch it in the middle and put it in, crisscross it with my bundle, and there is a bundle. That is 1 curl. So then I'm going to take my pipe cleaner. I'm going to bunch them all up at the top and twist it about 3 times around to secure my bundle. Once I've done that, I'm going to turn my frame upside down and I'm going to attach it to the second and the third rung alternating. And I started out doing 7 of these in each section, but I ended up with 6 of these curls in each section. So a total of 42 curls. And there you have it. I have 1 section finished. I will continue all the way around the frame. It makes such a full wreath. Then I'm going to put my diamond art in the middle and attach it right in the center. I love how full this wreath is. So I'm going to attach that with some wire and attach it to the wreath frame. And there you have it. This wreath turns out so full. It's like the fullest wreath that style that I have found. And it turns out simply beautiful.